How to find clear browsing data on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find clear browsing data on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on privacy and security. And you have the first option, which is clear browsing data. And here you choose basic and click on last 7 days and choose last hours, and now click on clear data and click on clear, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.